Okay, this is going to be really funny. African greys are so smart. And he tells me when he's ready to go to bed. Like, I know he's not right now because he would say, I want to go night-night. But watch how mad he gets when I try to make him go to bed early. Thirston, I love you. You're so sexy. Are you my king? Well, see, look, his little cheeks. They're getting so red because he's preparing to be mad for a second because he thinks he heard me say NIT, right? She says, no, it's not time. Don't pick on him. She says, it's not time. They don't like it when he goes to bed. They really miss him. But look, okay, so watch. You ready to go night-night? Come on, you want to go night-night? You ready to go? Oh, you did go night. You don't want to go night-night, do you? Do you want to go night-night? Oh, honey. Oh, you're not ready to go night-night, are you? Oh, my baby Bowie. He's a good boy. Okay, go back. Good job. I don't know what that was. I can't believe he let me do that. What's the matter with you? Baby, I'm not going to put him to bed. I'm not, buddy. I promise. She gets so upset. I know, baby. I was just trying to make a video, but it didn't work out like I thought. I didn't think he would be ready to go to bed, but apparently he might have been. Honey, it's okay. Thirston, look how much she loves you. She loves you. She doesn't want you to go to bed. This is how upset my kitty gets whenever I try to put him to bed. Oh, baby. I'm not going to put him to bed. No. I guess this is going to be a different kind of video than I thought. I was going to make a video that shows how mad he gets when I try to put him to bed when he doesn't want to go. But apparently he was maybe ready. But Diamond wasn't. She does this every night. It's been 5 years. Every day she has hope. They're not even scared of her. You're so brave. Good girl. You're a hunter. You are such a skilled hunter.